So hello Mathers, today we're doing a sheet titled Statistics, doing the 3 most famous words from the world of statistics for a bunch of lists of numbers. So the paper has stuff on it, I'll read it, maybe it sounds better when I say it, read it in your own mind, I don't know. But one thing we'll figure out for each list is the mean. The mean is the same thing as the average, and we've done averages I believe this year, earlier in the year. You just add up everything in the list, and then you divide by how many numbers are in the group. So for this list that I do in the example list, you would take 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8, add that up, it's 29. And you would divide 29 by 4 because there were 4 numbers. 29 won't divide evenly by 4, so just get a decimal out of that somehow or make a fraction or do something. 7.25 would work. The median we've not talked about this year. The median is probably, it's definitely easier than the mean. The median is just the middle number if you put them in order. And on all of these lists, I did put them in order for you. The only way this gets complicated is if there's not a middle number, you'll have to average the middle two. So for a list like 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, that's not the example list, but if it were, that would be easier than the one we're about to do, because this is the middle. There's 2 before it, there's 2 after it, 8's in the middle, no doubt about 8 being the median. But our list is this. If we look to the middle, these guys here sort of share the middle together, 7 and 8. So to do a median for this, we'll have to add these as 15, divide by 2, it would be 7.5. So if you have a true middle, just take it. But if there's not a true middle, you'll have to average the middle too. The mode is the easiest one. The mode is just the most common number in your list. And there can be a tie for mode if it comes up that way. So for this list, 8's the mode because there's more 8's than anything else. If I gave you a list like 6, 6, 8, 8, the mode would be 6 and 8. You'd have 2 modes. That's called bimodal. But there's 2 modes because there's just a tie. So that's our sheet today, the statistics sheet. The first column here, just do the means. Add them all up, divide by how many there are. Middle column, do the median, just grab the middle from the list. And if there's not a true middle, you'll have to do an average of the 2 that like share the middle. The mode is just the most common one. That's easily the easiest of those topics. So email me if you have questions.